I'm James Johnson, and you're watching Niagara Pro Tips. Hello, and welcome back to the Niagara Pro Tips. This video will continue with the multi-part series focused on the Niagara Cloud Suite products. We've had some updates over time, so we wanted to come back and revisit some of the processes for managing end-user organizations and accounts. Previously, when ordering Niagara Cloud Suite products, the contractor or partner needed to fill out a spreadsheet such as this that had details. In particular, we needed information about the end customer. So we needed to know who the end user was and their address and contact information, things like that. And you had to fill out this form when ordering cloud subscription parts. We've made some updates that allow through self-licensing to go into the license portal, and there's now an end users option here under the organizations. And what this will show you are all of the end customer organizations that you've sold Niagara Cloud products to. And within this web page here, there's a register new end user button you can click. And when you click this, then it gives you this form. And in this case, the top field, you're going to type in the name of your organization, and once you get enough of the letters of your organization, it should appear here in the list that you just picked this. So in this case, I work for a controls contractor named Niagara Smart Buildings, and that's my organization that's in the licensing system. And then you can go through and fill out the other information for the end user that you're planning to sell the subscription product to. Once you fill all this out and you click the submit button, that will go to the Tridium support team, and in the background they'll go ahead and create that organizational account for that end customer. Now once you have that organizational account created, when you log into your Cloud Suite portal, you should see something similar to this, where we have different tiles for each of the end customer organizations that we've created and have those associations with our partner account. And let's say, for example, that I'm working with Yoyodyne Propulsion Systems, and I need to set up an end user account so that someone with Yoyodyne Propulsion Systems is able to log into their Niagara Cloud Portal. Now, to do that, we can go to the users and roles. And I guess I should preface this with saying, previously you would direct them to go to the Niagara community site, create a new account, which gets set up as associated as just a Niagara community user, and then you would have to contact the Tridium support and have them associate that end user with the specific end user organization. So we've got a little bit different workflow here now, that when we go to users and roles, you'll see that there's a button over here on the right to click for add user. When you click that button, now you'll get a form here, and we can fill in an email address like this. And then customer name might seem like you're putting in the person's name, but this is the end user organization that we need to know who they need to be assigned to. So in this case, when you start to type a letter or letters, it should start filtering down and give you a selection on which end user organization this person's belongs to. So in this case, I'll select Yoyodyne Propulsion Systems. And then you can assign the roles and access that you want to that particular end user. And once you've completed those fields, the send invite button becomes available. We click this and it sends an invitation out to that end user. Now, taking a look at what the end user will see is, if I look at my at Emilio's email over here, I'll see that there's an email that's been received, and this email says, hey, someone at Niagara Smart Buildings, who's their contractor partner, they've invited you to join the Yoyodyne Propulsion Systems organization in Niagara Cloud. And then it'll say, directs them, if they haven't already done so, please go to niagaracommunity.com and sign up using that email address. So that will automatically associate the end user with the Yoyodyne organization, and they will be assigned the Niagara Cloud Portal permissions that you've assigned to them when you created that invitation. When you go back and look at your Niagara Cloud Suite, while those invitations are pending, you should see a pending invitation count there. And when you click on that, you can see the email address, the scope who sent the invite, and then you have an option to resend that same email. And you can also delete the pending invitation if for some reason you sent it in error or no longer needed it to be used. And that'll simplify the process of onboarding both the end users to the Niagara Cloud Portal and also in creating the end user organizations, hopefully. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for some more updates on the NCS features coming soon. Thank you.